kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 4 of my video series on Google Places API using Android Studio. Okay, so in this video we are going to start the Json parsing to fetch the information from the API response, and after that we need to show the markers onto the map. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, let me open my project. Okay, so we were inside our own post execute method. Okay, so what we need is, so now we are receiving the JSON response in the form of string. Okay, this S contains the JSON, okay, so before that I want to show you a software which is called Postman. Okay, it is for the JSON response. It will help you. So just open the Postman software, okay, and paste the link here. Okay, and after that you just need to click on send, so you will get the response, okay, here. All right, so let's begin the JSON parsing. So first of all, here you can see that we need to go to results. Okay, and after we are here inside our results, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so there are 6 results inside our result array. So let's first open the first index for the results array. So inside that we have here is the geometry, and inside that geometry we have location. Okay, this is the first location, or I mean the first restaurant here. Okay, similarly we have all these. Okay, so first of all I want to show you that we want to fetch the latitude and longitude. Okay, these are the two values which we want to find, and after that we just need, okay, so we don't need the geometry, then we need the name of the restaurant, and then we can also fetch the rating, and the last thing is the vicinity. All right, these are the things which we want. So right now let's go to our, let me close that, and let's go down to our own post execute method. So first of all we can say JSON object, and we call it as parent object equals to new JSON object, and inside that we can send S. Okay, and it is saying me that you need to try catch it, so we can paste it inside our try catch block. So inside that we can say JSON exception. So I will just cut that and paste inside my try block, and after that let me show you. Okay, so now we are inside this one. Okay, so after that we can say now that JSON array results array equals to parent object dot get JSON array, and inside that we can pass the results. Okay, because results is a JSON array. Okay, so you can see from there. Okay, this bracket. So now we are inside our results. So now we need to fetch now go to geometry, and after that we need to go to location. So how can we do that? So now we can, okay, so now we need to have the for loop. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so now it will loop towards all these values 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we need a for loop here. So how can we do that? So let's say for int I equals to 0, I less than results array dot length I plus plus. Alright, so now inside that we can say json object equals to results array dot get json object, and inside that we will pass I, and after that we can say json object location object equals to json object dot get json object, and inside that we can say geometry. Okay, so now we are inside our geometry, and after that we need to go to location. So similarly it's very simple, so we can say dot get json object, and inside that we can say location. Alright, so now we have reached the location object. So now we just need to print the lat and long, or find it. So for that we can say string latitude equals to location object dot get string, and inside there we can pass lat. Similarly string longitude equals to location object dot get string, and inside there we can pass L and G. Alright, so after that, now that we have found the location, okay, so now we don't need this geometry. So now we just need to have the name and the vicinity. Alright, so we can now say json object name object equals to results array dot get json object, and inside that we can pass I, and after that we can simply say name restaurant equals to name object dot get string, and inside that we can simply say name, and similarly we can say string vicinity equals to name object dot get string, and inside that we can pass vicinity. Alright, after that we want to have the lat long object, so we can say lat long equals to new lat long, and inside that we need to now convert it to double, so we can say double dot parse double, and inside that we can say latitude, and also we can say double dot parse double, and inside that we can say longitude. Alright, so now we have the lat long object. Now we need a marker options equals to new marker options, and inside that we can say dot title, and inside our title we can say vicinity, and we can also say dot position, and we can set the position to lat long, and finally we need to add the marker. So in order to add the marker we can simply say mmap dot add marker, and inside that we just need to pass the marker options. Alright, that was it, but here we need to change. Okay, so here we forgot to add the latitude and longitude, I mean the location. So inside here we need to say string builder dot append, and in here we can say location equals to, so first of all we need to pass the latitude, so we can say lat long current dot latitude plus semicolon, comma, then we can say lat long current dot longitude. Alright, so that was it. I think it is now complete. So let me open the SiteSync app. Let me connect my phone. Alright, so now my phone is connected, but it is not showing me. Let me connect it again. Okay, so now let's run our project. So we have this error, so we need to remove the edit text, and now we can simply run our project, and let's see if it successfully displays the markers onto the map or not. Okay, let me also. Okay, so now our application is running and our location is now being shown here. I am using the fake location. Okay, you can see current location. Okay, so now if I click on restaurants, so now my application is crashed. So let's see where it has just crashed. I guess there is some problem. Let me run it again. Okay, let's try to print a message here. Let's see if we are getting the toast message or not. Alright guys, so I am back. So there was a small mistake. So there was a spelling mistake inside that, so I just cut that. Okay, and I went into that and I copied it and pasted here. Alright, so now let's run our application. So let me connect my phone. So our application is now running and it is showing our current location, which I am using is the fake location. So now if I click on the restaurant button, so there you can see that we have all the nearby restaurants here. Okay, so if I click on that part, so you can see the name or the vicinity. Okay, and if I click on that, you can see that alright. So guys, similarly, if you want to find the nearby, let's say hospital, so just say write hospital here, and now let's run the app again, and it will show you all the nearby hospitals here inside the Google Maps. So now let's see if it shows us the hospitals or not. There you go, it has shown us the nearby hospitals. So if you click on that, you can see Ali Medical Center, F8, Koistan Road. Here you can also see some hospital, Sahil. Okay, this is the current location, and this is the medical center. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.